Hi, welcome everybody. So today I'm going to be introducing to you the combined package courses. We have done a few courses on Introduction to Aesthetics and basically all the different procedures which are covered, namely from neurotoxin injections to fillers, basic and advanced, and then threads and PRP and microneedling and collagen induction, along with fat compartments of the face. And these are all combined, and we are doing a bundle. And this is something anybody who is interested in getting into aesthetics, it would be a good place to start, where you can get an idea about what are the different procedures and how they are done, and you can get a basic theory idea about what are the indications for it, what are the contraindications, what you need to prepare yourself for it, and that will give you an idea about what is possible, what is not possible, and what are the things that you can learn. And so check out this aesthetics bundle that we are providing now. So this has about 8 procedures which are all combined into one bundle, and you can learn about it and then you can practice, and then keep watching for updates on the more detailed courses. We already have the detailed course on neurotoxin injections, the Botox, and the other courses will shortly be coming on. Please keep checking our links.